Welcome to Leap for Humanity, the podcast that explores transformative ideas and concepts to elevate our collective consciousness. I'm James Sharp, and today we're diving into a profound belief that can spark spiritual transformation. The world is one country. Transformation is a powerful process of change, whether it's in the material or spiritual realm. While material transformation focuses on the physical aspects of our lives, spiritual transformation delves into our inner selves, beliefs, and consciousness. Today, we'll explore how the belief in global unity can drive spiritual transformation and create a more connected, compassionate world. Individual transformation and social transformation are deeply interconnected. When individuals undergo spiritual growth, their actions and attitudes ripple out, influencing their families, communities, and society at large. Similarly, societal changes can inspire individuals to transform their own lives. By embracing the belief in global unity, we can foster both individual and collective transformation. Believing in the unity of humankind, the unity of all religions, and the unity of all nations can be a powerful catalyst for spiritual growth. Let's break down these concepts. Unity of humankind. Recognizing the intrinsic value and equality of all people can foster empathy, compassion, and cooperation. It breaks down barriers of prejudice and discrimination, leading to a more inclusive society. Unity of all religions. Embracing the idea that different religions share common values and goals promotes interfaith dialogue, mutual respect, and collaboration. This reduces conflict and fosters spiritual growth. Unity of all nations. Believing in global cooperation and solidarity inspires efforts to address global challenges like climate change, poverty, and inequality. It leads to a more just and sustainable world. So, how can we practically implement these beliefs in our lives and communities? Here are some steps to consider. Education and awareness. Promote these beliefs through educational programs, media, and community initiatives. Collaborative platforms. Create online forums and communities for people to share their transformation journeys and insights. Technology integration. Develop apps and tools that facilitate both material and spiritual growth. Policy and governance. Advocate for policies that reflect these beliefs, promoting social justice, human rights, and global cooperation. Personal practice. Encourage individuals to adopt a mindset of global citizenship and engage in practices like mindfulness, compassion, and social activism. As we conclude, let's reflect on the potential impact of embracing the belief that the world is one country. By fostering a sense of unity and interconnectedness, we can drive both individual and societal transformation, creating a more connected, compassionate, and harmonious world. I encourage you to ponder this reality and explore how you can contribute to this collective journey. Thank you for joining us on Leap for Humanity. I hope today's discussion has inspired you to consider the power of spiritual transformation and the importance of global unity. Remember, every small action and belief can make a significant impact. Until next time, stay connected, stay compassionate, and remember that the world is truly one country.